Good evening friends, welcome to my channel Tech Solutions. My name is Shoaib Sheikh. So friends, in today's video I am going to show how we can find and replace the asterisk sign, question mark sign and tilde sign. So friends, we have some data in front of the screen. We will try to find the asterisk sign, question mark sign and tilde sign with the help of Control F. So friends, as you can see, we have a 2 cell contain a star sign, 2 cell contain of tilde sign and 2 cell contain of question mark sign. Now we will try to find the star sign first. We will press a Control F over here. In that you can see, if you try to put a asterisk sign and then find next, so you can see over here my cursor is moving to every cell. It's not finding the asterisk sign. In the same way, if I put the question mark sign and if I try to find it, so it will move to every field where the text is available. In the same manner, if I put the tilde sign, it won't be able to find anything. So friends, how we can find and replace the star sign, asterisk sign and tilde sign with the help of Control F, I will show you right now. First of all, if you have to replace the star sign, question mark sign and tilde sign, you have to press Control H. It means we have to replace the star sign and data sign. So first of all, to delete the star sign, we'll press tilde sign and after that you have to press star sign, and after that now you have to find it. See friends, now you can see that this star sign, the cursor is moving only to the star sign. Now you have to replace all. Now for that you have to press Alt A. So friends, you can see all the star sign has been deleted from the cell. Now we have to delete the question mark, so we have to do the same thing, tilde and question mark. Now do Alt A, it means replace all. So friends, you can see all the question marks has been deleted from that cell. In the same manner, you have to press Control H. You have to put the tilde sign 2 times to delete the tilde sign. So friends, you can see all the tilde signs has been deleted from the Excel file. I will do it a Control Z once again, that we have a second method how we can delete all this wild character from formula. Right now we have to type like substitute. You can see it show text over here, so we have to put this text, then comma, then it is asking for the old text, so it means we have to put a asterisk sign over here, then apostrophe, then comma, and it is asking for the new text, so it means we don't want anything, so we will put a 2 apostrophe over here and close the bracket. So friends, as you can see, the star sign has been removed. For the same thing, we have to to remove the tilde sign, we have to put the another formula, that is substitute. It is asking for the text, so we'll put the text over here, then comma, it is asking for the old text, that what text it required, so we will put a tilde sign over here and comma. After that it is asking for new text, so we'll put double apostrophe and close bracket. See friends, the tilde has been removed. In the same way, we are going to remove the question mark, is equal to substitute. It's asking for the text, then we'll put a comma over here, apostrophe, it is asking for the old text, it means we have to replace the question mark. We'll put the question mark, we'll put the apostrophe, then put a comma over here, and then it's asking for the new text, so we'll put a double apostrophe because we don't want anything, and close the bracket. So friends, as you can see, all these asterisk sign, tilde sign and question mark sign has been removed with the formulas as well as with the Control H. So friends, how do you like my video? So please update the comment, like and share. If you have not pressed the bell icon, so press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update of my video. Thank you.